Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. You might be noticing backside like I'm in Munnar right now and it's awesome. Morning it was around 10 or 12 degree. So I just woke up and I came out of our cow surfing host place. So this is the place where I'm staying. It's in Devikulam near to Munnar. It's around 7 kilometers from Munnar. So I was like shivering. You can hear in my voice, like so. I like the climate, but incidentally I didn't have warmer clothes, so I was blocked. This is the moment I fell. Like you can see that I fell. The camera got off, and the camera got scratched on the screen. I can see that like in most of the coming videos that there is a scratch. I'm sorry for that. I will be changing the lens very soon. At the same instant there was an auto passing by. I just got into the auto. It was painful, yeah. It was very painful. Yes, I got scratches on my knees. That's it. Thank God. So I could walk, but knee was so painful. So finally, I am in auto right now, and I'm going to KSRTC bus depot to catch sightseeing bus, Munnar sightseeing bus from the Munnar bus depot. It departs at 9 o'clock. Yes guys, now we are in Munnar bus depot, but there is a sad news. The bus is fully booked since it's Sunday today, and it's fully booked, and we are 3 persons who are waiting for standing ticket, and conductor said that there is no allotment for any standing, only they take people who can sit. The number of people they can accommodate by seating. So we approached the manager. I think finally he might agree or not agree, but I don't know. Our fingers are crossed. So let's see. Bus cost around 250 rupees for whole day. It starts at 9. It takes you first. It starts at 9 and up to 5 o'clock or post 5, depending upon the traffic in the Munnar, like wherever it is going. And you can also order the food once you get the ticket on board bus. Like there will be a person before bus departs taking the orders. So thing is that bus, it is not mentioned where the bus will stop for the lunch. Wherever the bus is at lunch time, this guy will bring you the food. You can order veg and non-veg both, and these guys will bring you the food wherever the bus is at the lunch time. That's the best part. You might not have any restaurant nearby, but so it's always better to order in the bus itself. It's reasonable rates for all the food. It's not too high. It's a hotel. What you go for hotel, the same rate they charge, maybe 5 or 10 rupees extra. So finally we boarded the bus, and the bus departed. The manager agreed. Like he gave us the ticket, and yes, finally we are into KSRTC sightseeing bus Munnar, which started this year January 31st, and it's very good guys. So if you book for a taxi, it will take around 1500 or more to see all the places which bus will take you now shortly. I might be doing this in series 2 or 3 parts, because there's lot thing to show. I cannot cut and edit, cut everything, and because I need to show you all the all visuals which is so spectacular in the Munnar. So I might do in a part. right now we are on the way to stop station. Top station is the, it's in Tamil Nadu actually, but the bus goes to the stop station where you can see the beautiful views of this Mona Valley. There is one catch in this. Hope there is no mist when we are there. If there is mist, we can't see anything except the mist. So, finger crossed, we are moving, enjoying the beautiful view of this landscape. You can see tea plantation everywhere. It gives a green carpet look for entire mountain region. So, enjoy the views, guys. So, there is no online booking for the bus. First come, first serve is the policy over here. If you book it earlier, like one day before for the next day, so it is good always, because your seat will be reserved. So the bus can accommodate around 48 people. And if you want to take the sightseeing bus, just go straight into the KSRTC bus depot and book your seat for whichever day you intend to travel in the sightseeing bus. So it is always recommended, guys. Don't forget this tip. It's very important, so that you will not miss a very beautiful and budget friendly trip in our own KSRTC bus, sightseeing bus.
ഒന്നും കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് അവിടെ പോകാം. ഓരോ പറയാം എല്ലാ സ്ഥലങ്ങളും എടുക്കാം.